at Greywolf Therapeutics, we are intent on trying to modulate antigens presented by tumour cells.
So in the context of cancer, our drugs increase and illuminate the cells to the immune system, making them easily to detect and therefore eradicate from the body.
The rates of colorectal cancer are increasing and the population is becoming younger and younger, so I think by targeting colorectal cancer as opposed to other treatments, it really gives a nice insight to how the research we're doing at the moment could improve the quality of patients' lives.
We can provide new therapies for patients who currently don't have effective immunotherapies for their cancers because the immune system doesn't recognise their cancer, and we believe that our therapies will help the immune system do that, and so patients will have new options to combat their cancer in terms of immunotherapy.
The issue with colorectal cancers is that there's a low tumour mutational burden, meaning that normal immunotherapies can't target colorectal cancer as well as they can across other cancers. So we hope by employing an additional approach, which is where we come in with the antigen modulation therapies, that we could find a new targeted approach to help improve the quality of patients' lives.
We are world leaders in antigen modulation, so we can effectively achieve tight control over the antigens or the targets on tumour cells that T cells on an immune system are able to see. And by altering and modulating antigen processing, we can effectively illuminate tumours to the immune system. And that is really a first-in-class type of medicine that we are pioneering the way forwards with.
The initial research was focused on identifying and analysing novel antigens within the colorectal space. We analysed them with both bioinformatic methods and also machine learning methods. Now we're going to be moving on to the experimental validation of such antigens. So we hope that the results of these prioritised groups of antigens will be able to then see it within the validation approach and hopefully lead to a directed therapy within the field.
We were so excited to get the extra grant funding from Innovate UK. It's really helped us to accelerate the speed with which we can do our research. Funding in the sort of basic and early research that we do, it's always hard to come by. And so having that extra investment from Innovate UK has helped us do more experiments, produce more data, in the end move our therapies faster towards the clinic than we would have been able to done otherwise.
For colorectal patients at the moment, it's mostly chemotherapy, surgery and radiotherapy, which can be very invasive and really impact the quality of patients' lives, whereas immunotherapy approaches aim to really improve that in a group of patients which at the moment have this high unmet need of new treatments.
The fact that we're doing something that's completely unique within the industry, and often we go to conferences and we may be the only one presenting on this particular enzyme as a drug target, is what really drives me.
Colorectal cancer is the fourth most common cancer in the UK, and it actually accounts for the second highest death rate across cancers, just behind lung cancer. So in terms of who it could impact, it's huge, especially in the colorectal space.